Want to know how to take your hair from this to this in 5 minutes with no heat styling? I got you. Welcome back to Alleyways, or if it's your first time here, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. And if you haven't already, please, please, please make sure to join the Alleyways family. Subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and turn on post notifications so you know when I have new content. All right, so obviously today we are back on the channel with another video with insert name here. This is one of my all-time favorite companies to purchase hair from. They have great synthetic products that look wonderful, that I wear all the time, that save your hair from damaging heat use, and are honestly just really great in a pinch because they go on so quickly and look so flawless. Let's get into it. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys 2 different products that I got from insert name here. We're going to kick things off, of course, with one of my favorite things to buy from there, and that is a great ponytail. I have so many ponytails from insert name here. I get tons of compliments on them. I use them in shoots a lot. People never know that it's fake hair. It's quick, easy, all the things. I got their customer service to help me match my hair color. I'm using the shade Champagne, and this style is called Lily. It's kind of a short, cute little pony, but I just want to first say, look how adorable this packaging is. How cute. So you'll see over here, there's a tag, and it says, "If you open me, I'm yours forever." And I know sometimes it can be nerve-wracking to try and match your hair color online and think about, well, what if I get it in and it's wrong? Not to worry. In this little top pouch here, if you just open that, then what you're going to find is a swatch of the hair color that you can use as a tester without having to open the package. So for me, as you can see, Champagne is a really, really nice match. So what you'll do is you'll just take this little weft out of the net, pull it out. Yep, that's looking really, that blends really nicely with my ponytail, so I'm happy. I think it's a perfect color match, but I just wanted you all to see that, to know not to worry if you are ordering for the first time and you've gotten somebody to help you with a match and you're still a little bit nervous. They've got a great return policy. Just make sure you do the tester first. What we're going to do now, I'm going to go cut this open. I'm going to show you guys how to install the ponytail, how quick and easy it is, and we're going to see what we think about Lily. One thing that I also love about insert name here, beyond the packaging being really cute, everything's very protective. It comes with an adorable silk scrunchie. I feel like you can never have enough scrunchies. And then, as you can see, it's in its little net. So we're gonna undo this and see how Lily looks in person. This style I really liked online because it was a little shorter, curly, kind of like preppy and fun. And so I was super excited. Okay, this is just as cute in person. How adorable is that? I feel like, you know, with Ariana Grande, I'm sorry if I mispronounced that, the super long ponytail was in for a while, and now we're seeing shorter hairstyles and ponytails becoming more popular. And so I really just was excited to get this and try something new and different. You'll also notice on the top of the weft here, there are 2 blonde bobby pins. Now you're going to use that to tuck in the tail. This piece of hair is what wraps around the weft to disguise it. That's how nobody ever knows that it's fake. So we're gonna set these aside for just a moment, and I will show you guys what you're gonna do. So you can see, it feels kind of flat. It is Velcroed together. So you're gonna tear the Velcro, open it, and you'll see there's a comb here. And all that you have to do, it is so easy, you guys, because I'm not gifted with hair. I went ahead and put my hair in a ponytail, and I'm not worrying about styling it because this wraps around and covers your hair. All you're going to do is take this comb, and I anchor it right into my ponytail. I'm doing this blind, so it's a little bit harder. Let me just, there we go. So you're just gonna take that comb, like I said, and anchor it right into your ponytail, right into the ponytail holder, and then close the Velcro sides. Swing kind of back to get it away from your neck, you see? And then let's just do that Velcro around. Done. Great hair in just a few minutes. Right now the color match for me isn't looking perfect, but I just went to the hair salon yesterday and I still have toner in my hair that will wash out after a couple, and then I come out to more of this color. So now we're going to grab those bobby pins. As you can see, I've taken this hair and wrapped it around, covering up our weft, and I'm just going to open these and anchor the end of that little hair tie to cover up our weft so it looks nice and sleek. I really only have to use one, and then voila, we have our ponytail. How cute is that, you guys? Okay, I do have to say I love this style. Super soft. I do love that it's a little bit shorter, it's perky, and like I said, right now, my color will definitely calm down in a few days, and then we will have a perfect match. I love this. Oh my goodness. And you can see, so easy, and I love these because with work, I have so much heat damage on my hair all the time from just having different people work on my hair, and you know, I'm on set for one day and they want the style to be exactly like they need it to be for that job, and your hair's not always protected in the way it should be. So on my off days, I still want to look nice, but I want to kind of preserve the integrity of my hair and not put it through heat styling. So having things like this are just such a perfect solution. Also, a lot of times I will have been working all day and have an event at night, and I need something quick and easy to do to make my hair look great without having to put a ton of effort in, and I always keep these on hand for that. I am loving this. And of course I will have links to these and discount code in the comments or in the description box down below. I went ahead and took a break, and I put my hair in this half up, half down style. Now, I probably should curl it to match our next style. So our next style is called Chloe. It is a half up, half down style from insert name here. I saw it actually in a targeted ad, and I thought it was so beautiful that I had to have it. I also don't have any half up, half down styles from insert name here, and I have to say, I probably feel my most confident when I'm wearing my hair half up, half down. And so I'm really glad to get this just to add some volume and bulk, because look at this. Look how much hair comes in this pack. Let's get in here and see what all we have. So first off, it did come with an instruction card. I'm gonna put this up close so you guys can really look, or pause and screenshot if you want to. I'm going to be reading these instructions and following them. Also, it came with a little baggie with a really super soft and puffy hair tie and 2 blonde clips. We might need to use it, we might not. So it says to start that you should put your hair half up, half down, but then keep it clipped out of the way until the very last step. So this portion right here, you would want to clip. I'm gonna try and work around because I'm trying to go for a really sleek style right off the forehead. So I'm gonna try and work around it because I think clipping it could mess it up. You could also just section if that would be better. It says as a style tip to curl your hair with a 1/2 inch or 1 inch barrel before application. Like I said, I'm gonna leave mine straight and we'll just see what this hides and what it doesn't. And then use this hair tie and the bobby pins for secure hold for fine, thin hair. Great. Okay, so inside this pack, we have what appears to be 3 wefts. And if you're new to the fake hair world, a weft looks like this. It's a little track with clips in it. This is 1 weft of hair. So we have 3 of these. And let's see if they're all the same length or a different length. And you can see it is like a really kind of like spiral curl style. Looks fun. 2, 3. And these are not all the same length. So I'm gonna hold this so you all can see. We're just going slow because I want this to be really helpful. I hope you guys can see we've got 1, 2, 3. So we have a short, a medium, and a long weft. Now for me, and on the instructions, it says that what you're going to do is with the half down portion of your hair, you're going to make 3 sections. Now I'm going to just really roughly do this. I just take my fingers like this. I start at about the base of my neck and go in a straight line till my fingers meet. Flip my hair up like this so we have one section. Like I said, I'm trying to maintain this really sleek style. So I'm going to just roughly take this and clip it in the back so we don't mess up that half up, half down portion. I'm gonna take the smallest weft because this is the smallest section, right? Our head and hairline gets a little smaller as it comes down towards our neck. I'm gonna make sure all of my clips are open. And if you want, I already have some product in, but you can kind of tease your roots with a comb, put a little hairspray, anything that you can do to help these stick and grab in your hair without causing damage is great. And I'm doing this blind, but you can see I'm gonna just dig those clips in to the hairline and snap them shut. We have our first weft in. So we're gonna repeat this process going up the half down portion, and then I'll meet you guys right back here to do our ponytail. Okay, I have all 3 wefts in the half down portion of my hair. With the top weft, I saw a girl online, I think it might have actually been on the Insert Name Here website, that said don't worry about hiding the top weft of your hair like we did the others by sectioning, because at the very top you're gonna have a ponytail that's gonna cover the weft on both sides. So you just put that one right up top where the half down portion ends. Now, once again, as you can see, we have one of Insert Name Here's signature ponytails. So we're gonna go through the exact same process as we did with our first pony. Once again, you see it has the comb, the Velcro, and our little wrap. It did come, like we saw, with the baggie with some blonde bobby pins. So actually, you know what? I should go ahead and get that out and get it ready. This is a fun style, isn't it? I never wear my hair like this, so I'm super excited to have something just new and fun and different. So once again, here's what we're gonna do. Take this comb and you're gonna just stick it right into the base of that ponytail. And I just like to do it really nice so it stays secure. Flip it up and wrap. Now, I like to get a little distance between the ponytail. If you have somebody that can like hold your hair up for you, that's actually a big help. But if not, just make sure you have all the hairs up out of the way so you can cleanly wrap this. And you know what? I have just like my stick straight hair underneath here, and there's so much hair in this bundle that I don't even hardly see my straight hair, which is great. My mom's gonna kill me when she sees I open that bobby pin with my teeth. Because then we don't have to heat style our hair. Now I'm just gonna clip the tail once again of our little wrap in so it stays secure. And then we're done. Okay, that ponytail really does hide that top weft. This is so cute. How cute is this? I love the half up, half down style. I love how much luscious hair there is here. Oh my goodness, how much fun is this? Love it. Okay, now I'm really eager to see what all else they have in half up, half down. And like I said, my color match right now is not perfect. I literally just left the salon like 12 hours ago, so my toner is still popping. 3 washes and my hair like kind of becomes this color. And so then it's gonna be an even more perfect match. I'm so excited. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that this was helpful for you. I know that for me, whenever I got started applying these products, it was really intimidating to try and learn, and I made a lot of mistakes, and I just needed slow, detailed tutorials that really showed every step. So I hope that maybe that helped for you all. Thank you so much to Insert Name Here for creating great products and working with us. I love you guys so much, and I can't wait to see you next time right here on Alleyways. Bye!